Hi students, very good evening all of you. As in my previous video that I told about the poem The Things of Beauty. So today we'll talk about the last poem. That's name is Aunt Jennifer Tiger, written by Adrienne Rich. So at first I want to tell about the writer information or the poetess information of this poem. So Adrienne Rich, she is an American poetess and essayist, and she was born in 1929 and died in 2012. And before her writing, she also read about the lot of writer like John Keats, like William Black, Tennyson, the lot of writers that she read about all, and then she wrote the same poem. And in this poem, I just want to tell about the theme of this poem. Here she wants to describe about her marriage life, that how she was bounded from the marriage, and she also talks about her art activities, because in this poem that we will discuss that she already made two tigers on a panel and how they are looking and what they are. So in this poem that we will talk about all these things, this is the theme that you also can keep in your mind. So without wasting our time, that we just going to start the same poem summary. So please listen carefully. So the students, as I told you, that you just can categorize this poem into three parts. The first, as I told you, about the Aunt Jennifer Tigers. So in this first part, she wants to talk about the tigers which she made by herself, by her own hands. And you also can see that how they are looking on a panel. They are just they are prancing on a panel. Here what do you mean by prance? Prance means over jump, means uchal kood karna. So here in this poem you also can see about those tigers, that how they are looking. They are not afraid of someone else, and they really belongs to a green forest. So here she also made those tigers by her hands. So in this stanza she talks about their nature. Then the tiger looks like brave, and their certainty. Certainty means the confidence. You also can see the confidence of those tigers. So in the second stanza or in the second part, according to me, that she wants to describe about her marriage life. At the time of making those pictures of tigers, she was wearing a band in her hand. So here you also can observe that same situation in your mind as a married life of a woman, that how she also can be there. So in this poem she wants to describe about her marriage life. She was not quite so much you can say happy with that situation. So at the time of making those tigers pictures, she was wearing band, and that was so heavy. That's what she was not able to make those pictures easily. So this is the second part that I told you. In the third one, she is talking about her the you can say the marriage life, or after death of the life. You can say that she wants to talk in the third stanza about the creativity, or after the death of poetess, no anyone will remember of his age, of her age, and about their activities. Only the thing that we all will remember, that is about the creativity which she made by her own hand. So in this poem they are talking about the last thing, about the imaginary, you can say, like the images which she made by her own hand, we will remember every time, and then definitely that can be the symbol of her life. And at the end of the poem, that I also want to tell you, she also wants to describe her marriage life, because the marriage life was not easy of that lady, or you can say the poet. So in this poem, this much enough for you, and this is the summary of this poem, and I hope I will definitely able to understand about all the concept of this poem, and you will definitely remember. And still, if you have any problem regarding this poem, so students, please let me know. You just definitely can send your query on in comment section, or also can contact on my number. My number is 9996700104. Feel free to contact anytime about any content of the English literature as well as grammar, and from class 10th till post graduation. Any topic you just can share with me, or if you want to know about anything, I will definitely will be happy to help all of you. So this is all about the day of today. Thank you. Have a great day.